In today's video, we're going to be testing the Typhon.
Oh, my battery just dumped.
And then the Alaro 12 scale buggy on my new ramp. And then we're going to get the bigger cars out to see how they perform. All right, y'all, quick video, Arma versus Alaro. So we're gonna just be jumping these two buggies out here. My boy Jeff right over there, he built a ramp right here, so you guys see the ramp there. It's about, what is it, 3 feet high, 3 feet high?
16 inches high.
16 inches high, 3 feet wide. So that's all we're gonna tell you right now. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go with the Arma first. Now this is running a 2S LiPo in it. My 3S didn't fit, so hopefully we can get pretty good traction out here. Well, it's jumping good. He didn't think it'd be able to jump that good. He thought it might be too much, but if I put 3S in here, yeah, it'd probably be a lot, but. That's jumping good. Better than what we thought it would jump at least. Oh, got a rock caught up in there. See if we can do a backflip. Oh, my battery just dumped. I knew that was gonna happen. I gotta change my battery out. Hopefully this second battery's got a little bit more charge in it. I want to see if I can at least pull off a backflip. One thing about this area is a lot of rocks out here, and I missed completely on that one. Probably should have put a 3S in there to make it equal, but little Typhon is jumping good though. Got another rock in there too. Jeez. Now, you know, this is the smaller of the two buggies. Look at that thing, it's jumping good. This is gonna be the smaller of the two buggies. It's a tad bit small, and I'll show you guys side by side to them. Oh, almost landed on my feet. All right, put this one to the side, and now let's try the Alaro. All right, and this one is running 3S LiPo, so we'll be a tad bit faster, and it's a little bit bigger, so, but I'm not getting as good traction as I am with the Arma. There we go. This will probably be able to pull a backflip off. We're gonna try that. Jeez, if we can get some traction out here. I know it's loose, but let's see if we can pull this backflip off. Well, if I can line it up. Next time I'll be doing this on concrete or grass. Look at that, backflip. All right, gonna try that one more time. Once it's going, it's good. It's just getting it going. All right, let's go. This might be able to do a double. Almost, and that rock came right at me. We're gonna try this one more time, one more quick jump. About 3 jumps with him. I'll do a better video a little bit later on. I just wanted to test this ramp out. Can't do that double. At least get one in. All right, we're gonna do one more. You guys know what? I'm gonna bring my Mojave out and do at least one jump with that, because I got that sitting over there. Oh, and look what happened. I don't know if that broke on the end. Oh no, the screws just came out of there. Oh, that sucks. You guys can see that right there. Screws came out of there in the rear, and on this, my drive shaft came out on the front left. So let's go ahead, let's get the big boy Mojave out and let's jump that once or twice. Ah, screw it, what the heck? We got the Fury and the Mojave out here. So get this Fury going, throwing up rocks everywhere. Just testing this ramp out. Doubt I'll do any backflips on here, but I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to put it off or not. Now I do have the DSC turned up to mode level 4. One thing about short course trucks, boy, they do try to land on their feet every time. And I am running 3S in here too, so. It's been a minute since I brought this out, actually. I forgot how well this vehicle does. Even if I try to land smooth, that's what it did. Fury's jumping good. All right, one last jump and then we're gonna get the big boy out. Uh-oh. The bottom might have came out of here. That's why it's maybe acting like that. No? Let's see real quick. No? Might have just got stuck on something. A lot of big rocks out here, y'all. All right, last jump. Bow, 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 bow. All right, let's get this Mojave going. This is the main reason why we have this bigger ramp is for these bigger vehicles. I know we can get that. There we go. Oh no! That was a very quick run. He's over there laughing. Hopefully I didn't shred the wheel. No, I shredded that. Look at that. I might be able to recycle that. Let me see if I got a pen or something to recycle that. All right, let's try this again. Let's see. Probably hit Jeff in the head. Coming in hot. Oh, I missed it. I don't know, man. A rock with mine. A rock got mine. But we're making up excuses. There we go. That's the Mojave we want. People out here filming too. What happened, Jeff? You get no traction out here. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get it full speed. I doubt I can do a backflip. Oh, I came unplugged. All right, I just came unplugged, y'all. Do a couple more big jumps. We got staffer coming out here. See if I can hit this. Got these guys out here. Oh, slipping, I'm slipping. I was slipping too much. All right, we'll do one more big jump.
Hold on, that booty.
Wow, wow, wow. He tried to hit a backflip on here. Let's see. Oh, no, he missed it. Let's see if he's gonna do it. He tried to hit a backflip. He ain't landing right. Get that extra footage for y'all. Wow! And it came unplugged again, y'all. So we're gonna end this. I'm gonna go out and have some more fun. It's not always about trying to shoot videos. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.